Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can see some of the last videos that you watch on your Facebook account. So the first thing is to log into your Facebook either on PC or mobile. And for the sake of users on PC, we're going to do the PC version and then we also look at the mobile version. So for PC users, you want to come to the section of your profile like this. Just go to facebook.com, or you can as well enter fb.com/your username. And once you are on your profile page, the next thing is to click on this menu icon, and then right there you see activity log just at the mid section, and from here you can see a list of activities you can check. You can check your live videos, you can check videos that you've searched for on Facebook. Here's where you can see the videos that you've seen recently. All right, so for mobile users who would also like to check their last seen videos on Facebook, the first thing is to go to your Facebook app and then click on your profile image, and you should see this menu right here. Click on it and then click on activity log. Just scroll to videos watched right there. You can see it just on the middle of the screen. Just click on videos watched and you should see your last seen videos. So guys, that's how to go about that. I hope it's a useful one for you. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.